Good morning mga ka-printer, back at it again with another video here in Kelly Installation. So last time natunghayan natin ang successful installation of Apollomax Plus all the way from Quezon City. But today, we're going to different location for another delivery and installation. Tara at samahan niyo po kami sa Caloocan City.
We manage the machine carefully to avoid any damages. At pag maayos at kompleto na ang lahat, pwedeng-pwede na tayo bumiyahe.
At ngayon, ready na ang mga machines at mga packages natin at pwedeng-pwede na tayong bumiyahe. Tara na, samahan nyo kami. Time check, it's already 11 AM in the morning at andito na tayo sa ating location. So wala na tayong sasayanging oras pa. Let's proceed to our main purpose of our itinerary.
Ang Kelly Installation ay always ready for machine delivery, kahit from province to city or city to province. Ang Solvent printer kagaya ng Apollomax Plus ay sobrang patok ngayong season dahil sa upcoming campaign elections. At isa sa mga strategy to campaign ay ang tarpaulin banner.
Investment is one of the best thing that you can do for your business. At napatunayan niya ng maraming printing owners. Kaya ikaw, ano pang inaantay mo? Message us now on our official Facebook page and visit our official website at www.kellinph.com. At baka malay mo, ikaw na ang next na pupuntahan ng Kelly Installation. Hanggang sa muli, thanks for watching guys and have a great day.